Good morning.
Daylight on the horizon, shining back at me, makes me think of my baby coming home to me. Down the riverside flowing, knowing she's still there. I can't see where she's going, but I hope it's near. Life ain't what it seems. There's still a part of me that's trying. Come lay on my chest. You can find a little rest from hiding. Don't let this go. Don't let it fall away. Don't worry, we'll take it slow.
We had to pull over here because we just passed a beautiful little valley. I mean, it's packed with beautiful valleys, but I don't know, this one just hits a little bit different. Just absolutely gorgeous. Let's roll on.
All I ever have dreamt of falling through my hands. Life ain't what it seems. There's still a part of me that's fighting. Come lay on my chest. You can find a little rest from hiding.
You like Yellowstone so far? One of Koda's favorite things to do is taste all the water, all this beautiful crystal clear water. You want to go join your ancestors? Let Koda go back into the wild? Come on.
Don't let go.
Off we go. It's hot out. I had to let Koda dip her little underbody in. That's how she cools off. Goes and dips her chest in there, and now we're ready to roll. Go see what we can find. Come on, girl.
Don't let this go. Don't let it fall away. Don't worry, we'll take it slow. Just don't let go. Just don't let go.
She doesn't know what to make of it. She just wants to go play. I'm sure she'd have a blast, huh? Wouldn't you, Koda?
Waiting on the day
That's gonna do it. On we go, heading south towards Old Faithful. See how much of a shit show that is. Let's boogie. Don't even know where we are. No idea. We're gonna find out in a hot second. Biscuit Basin. Damn. Add fuel to the fire. They gotta call it Biscuit Basin too. I'm sorry, Koda. We got some beef jerky. I'll give her some beef jerky when I get back. It's a short walk. Dreading it. There's a ton of people, but it is short and quick, and it's just a few little hot springs, it looks like. Leave that AC on for Koda. Yeah, don't let anybody take the truck. All right, let's boogie. Stay, not you. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean you. Stay. Well, we're back. It turns out my GoPro didn't record a few of the videos, but to sum it up, it was blue. It looked hot. I wouldn't recommend swimming there. You could try it. And yeah, pretty neat. Sorry, Koda. So I think my GoPro batteries are overheating, unfortunately. It's hot out today. And apparently GoPro hasn't really figured that part out yet, so, which is funny because it's an extreme action camera, but I've always had problems with it, whether it's cold or hot. On we go. Well, that was neat. Good old Faithful. Cool to see. We waited. We got there at the worst possible time, right after the previous one erupted. So we waited about an hour and a half. Koda was not happy, as you can hear. So we got out of there quickly, and we are on the search for water. And we're just gonna drive north, get out of the park, and look for somewhere to camp for the night. We'll leave from there and shoot straight up Montana and just keep going north until we get bored. So until then, it's on the hunt for some water so Koda could splash around, because it is hot. It's about 90 degrees here, no wind. But we're gonna find you some water, girl. Old Faithful. So looks like a nice place for Koda to get out and stretch her legs. She thinks so too.
Why do you leave me lonely when you know I'm bad at being alone? I'm stuck in the past, you told me. All I ever wanted was a home. So why do you leave? Where do you go? Would you just stay if I came home? We could go for a drive, figure it out, calm your fears and drown your doubt. But I got to know. Where do you go? Where do you leave me lonely? Even when I'm staring you right in the eye. You are my one and only, and I mean it for the rest of my life. So where do you leave? Where do you go? Would you just stay if I came home? We could go for a drive, figure it out.
We're in the woods in Whitehall. I believe it's Whitehall, Montana, about an hour west of Bozeman. Perched up on a little mountain. Great views, surrounded by some rocks. It should help with the wind and a bunch of trees. We're gonna make some lunch. We got some roast beef sandwiches going. Cody, you want some roast beef? Come here. Come on. You want some roast beef? Coda's having a blast already. So we're gonna make lunch or an early dinner, not too sure yet. And hang out for the rest of the night before we wake up early tomorrow. Keep going north. Keep going. Get to the border. Huh.